Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. How do I pronounce your name? Is this your
It's
name?
Ujjwal. Yeah, it's Ujjwal, Ujjwal.
Ujjwal.
Yeah.
Did I say that correctly?
Yeah. Please repeat
Close.
again. Yeah, please
Ujjwal?
repeat. Yeah, it's correct. Totally
It's
correct.
okay.
Yeah.
Wow. I've never heard this name before.
Oh my God. So what's your name?
Savannah.
Savannah.
Yes. Like in Africa, the savannas of Africa, you know?
No, I don't.
No. it's
Mhm.
it's like the open plains, like a lot of grass. Where the lions live in Africa, you would call it the savannah.
Okay, Africa. Yeah, I know.
And
Like,
what does your name?
sorry,
Does it have a meaning?
Africa. No,
No,
name.
your name. What does your name mean?
My name means okay. So like, in my opinion, my name means to bright future.
Oh, okay.
Bright future.
That's a nice name.
Yeah.
Is it common? Where are you from? I'm sorry.
Yeah, like is it a common name? In my
Really?
like I have two names. Like my name is Harshit also. So in documents, my name is Ujjwal, and in college, my name is Ujjwal. But my close friends and my family member relatives tell me pronounce my name Harshit.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
which one is your first name?
My
This
first
is
name
your first.
Harshit. Harshit.
Oh, okay. So this is your middle name.
Yeah. My middle name, like I haven't any middle name. I have just two names. Harshit.
Okay.
Yeah. It's just the person who are close to me, so they call me Harshit. And
Mhm.
in the commentary, so my name is Ujjwal.
Okay. Where are you from? I'm sorry, I didn't ask.
Yeah. I am from Uttar Pradesh, India.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, and Sharma's your last name.
Sharma, Sharma.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Now I know a little bit about your name.
Yeah, that's good.
And what time is it for you in India?
Yeah, the time like I have finished my day, so it's 9
At
p.m.
night?
Yeah,
Okay.
9 p.m.
Oh, okay. So you're
So
finishing up your day.
yeah, yeah. So you have just started your day. I can see the
Yes.
sunrise. Yeah.
It's winter in Florida, but you wouldn't be able to tell because it's warm.
Oh my God. So why it's
Yes.
warm?
Because Florida doesn't really get cold. We have pretty much warm temperatures all year. I'm just visiting Florida actually, but I have a short sleeve shirt on and it's winter.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's a little bit strange to think about. But I don't know. What about you? Does it get cold at all where you live?
Uh, The cold has gone totally. So now the summer is coming. So like
Mm-hmm.
the season, I think is the middle one.
It's
Yeah.
spring.
So yeah, basically it's a spring season. Yeah.
Okay.
Like yeah.
I like the spring. I just don't like allergies. I don't know if it's common where you live, but here we have a lot of pollen, like the yellow from the flowers and the trees and everything.
Yeah, yeah.
So everyone is sneezing all the time because of the pollen and allergies.
Yeah, like now I am suffering from sneezing. I don't know why, like, because the weather is changing right now nowadays.
Right.
So that is why yeah. Sometimes I have a bit cold.
Yes. That's the worst part. I think the weather is beautiful, but allergies are like my worst enemy. I hate them.
Yeah, me too.
And you said you're in the university?
Yeah, like I'm in my college. I just completed my intermediate exam, and now it's my first year. I'm doing my graduation, Bachelor of Business Administration.
Oh, okay. And so what job are you planning to get after you graduate? Do you have an
Uh,
idea of where you want to be?
yeah, like currently I have a business. I have a small business of
Okay.
handmade products. So yeah, I sell my products. Uh, Currently I'm selling my products in New Zealand, and but now I'm looking forward to sell my products in USA. So like
Okay.
that's why I joined Cambly to improve my English to interact with my customers
Mm-hmm.
because bonding with between the customers and the seller should be
Right.
very good. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
because we are seller, so that is why I'm.
Do you know, are you going to make your own website or are you going to try to sell through another website?
Yeah, no, I have my own website.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So you're ready. You're prepared. It's just to
yeah,
contact customers that you want to work on your English?
yeah. That is why I want to work on my English and I
Oh,
want to improve my confident level.
well, that's good. Do you have employees or it's just a one-man business for now?
No, now it's a one man business, so just I just handle the business right now. Yeah.
Then you're
So like,
hoping to expand?
yeah, like I'm hoping a lot. Currently, I'm looking at the customers sometimes on Google and
Mm-hmm.
another way. But further, like whenever I'll complete my graduation first, so
Mm-hmm.
I'll start outing first to to meet some buyers, agencies,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, to increase my sales. Yeah,
Right.
yeah,
Yeah, online is definitely the way to go because now I don't think most, at least in the US, it's very common to just strictly shop online. Going to the
yeah,
store and looking at things, it's not as common as it used to be.
yeah.
So, I mean, it's good for international sales because you could buy from anywhere.
Yeah. So, like, what about you? Do you mostly purchase like online or
Hmm.
do you go to the shop?
Well, because I live in Argentina, but I'm just visiting the States, now that I'm here, I go to the shop because I miss it. Because in Argentina, we don't have the same stores, we don't have the same, shopping malls and things. So now that I'm here just for a visit, I go and I like to look at everything. I like to smell everything. I like to touch everything. But normally, I will buy online if I have the opportunity, I will buy online. Just now because I miss, my stores from here, I will go.
Yeah, that's a good way to exploring something new, to
Yeah.
explore some new shops and to explore some new people. So that's good.
Yes. Even just like Walmart, for example, I'll go because in Argentina we have stores and things obviously, but they're much smaller and it's much more limited the options you may have. So I will go to Walmart and I will say, "Oh, look, I have 300 shampoos I can choose from. And in Argentina, maybe I have four or five."
Hmm.
So I'm like, I like to go and I like to see everything. And, it makes a difference.
So, like, did you ever see any this type of home decorative shops?
Here in the US or in Argentina?
In US.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure. Um, it depends, like, what style also. Right now, it's really common, like artisanal, rustic, that kind of style. It's really common. So you may have stores that focus on that. And then you have bigger stores that have a little bit of everything, a little bit of industrial, a little bit of rustic, a little bit of vintage, a little bit of everything.
Yeah, yeah.
So, yeah, there are lots. But a lot of people look for more artisanal things or homemade things or things that are native. My father, for example, he really loves like Asian decor. So he buys online, he looks for like original vintage things and he likes to buy that way.
So you should visit. You should obviously visit on my website because if you visit my website, so I assure you, you will love the products that I
Do
have
you want
uploaded.
to? You can send it to me and through the chat, the name.
Yeah, yeah. Right.
Then I'll see your website and I'll see.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I have to copy the thing because if not, I'm going to leave the Cambly
Mm.
website. I
Yeah.
don't want to do that either. Here, I'll put it here so I don't forget. How do you pronounce it?
Trimurti collection.
Trimurti collection. I'll have it here.
Okay.
Oh, you have a nice looking website.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did good.
Can I see that? Like, if you find right or wrong?
I copied, so I think it should be the correct one. But let me share my screen with you so you can see.
Mm.
Can you see?
Wait. Yeah, yeah, this one.
This is it. Oh, it
Yeah.
looks great. The
Yeah.
website.
So these type of products, stuffs we sell.
Oh yeah, for sure. I think you would do. I think you do well selling here in the U.S.
Yeah.
And I can show like these kinds of things. My father loves it. Like
Oh.
kind of original looking things that you wouldn't see at every home shop, for example.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Am I back? Am I still sharing the screen because I'm terrible with technology? I
Yeah.
obviously did not go to engineering school or whatever. But
Okay.
so when are you planning to expand in the US or you're already starting?
Like now I'm looking. I haven't
Okay.
started yet. Yeah, because I'm like I was unable to find any way to sell my products except the Google to finding a customer on Google, and I
Right.
was unable to find a customer on Google as well.
Okay. Have you tried using Etsy or something like that?
Yeah, like about Etsy. So Etsy providers this we can sell a single product on Etsy, and they can't provide
One.
us to yeah one product. And if we sell one product on Etsy, so the freight costs will be too high.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that is why we can't sell on Etsy, and we just work on bulk quantity.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So it wouldn't be worth it to sell just one product just so customers could get to know the brand. It wouldn't be worth it and either.
like if the customer love the one product and he wanna order one product.
Yeah. So for example, if I go on Etsy now, for example, and I like a pair of earrings or whatever, I
Yeah,
can click on the designer, the owner, and then get to know the rest of their products through the one product.
uh, yeah, like
Have you
you can order, but the freight cost will be too high because from India to America and the shipping charge of the one product. So yeah, obviously it will be too high. And
and through your website, how much is the shipping to the US?
how much? Like it depends on the product's dimension.
Right.
Yeah,
But for example, like table, like decorative plates, for example,
table. So I think 5K,
5,000,
yeah, 5,000.
$5,000? No.
No, no dollars, Indian rupees.
How much is that in dollars?
In dollars, I think.
I can try to look it up. 5,000. I said $5,000. I don't know.
Yeah, baby,
Uh,
5,000. I think.
$60.
Almost
$61.
64. Yeah, 64 about something. Approx
That's
60,
still
64.
a very high price for
Yeah,
shipping.
yeah,
Yeah. So you have to do everything by a large quantity for it to be worth it.
yeah, yeah. We work only bulk quantity.
Okay. So you'd have to work through another store, not through individual clients.
Yeah, that's why we want to work with the, like several stores.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Right. That makes sense.
So do you
Well,
know this type of person who can help me to increase the sale?
I don't know person, but also I don't live in the US.
Oh,
I
yeah.
haven't lived in the US for 10 years. I'm from here, but I was a child and teenager at the time, so I didn't look much into it. But I can ask, I can see if I can find something out. Um, Stores, we have a lot of chain stores here. So I wouldn't, even if I went to the store and asked, I wouldn't find an owner or anything like that. So I think you would have your best luck emailing and
Yeah.
probably trying to get in contact with someone that way because in the store I'm just going to have sales associates. I'm not going to have anybody who has any rank at all that could